Hello, today we will guide you through how to automate your blog with Make.com. To begin, open Make.com and go to your main dashboard. This is where you'll manage automations, templates, and scenarios. If you're new to Make, think of it as a visual automation platform that helps connect apps and reduce repetitive tasks. Starting from the dashboard gives you a clear launching point for building your blog workflow. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Templates. Templates are a great shortcut because they give you pre-built automation ideas instead of requiring you to build everything from scratch. This can save time and also help you understand how common blog automations are structured. After that, use the search area and type in the word blog. This will narrow the template results and help you find automation options related to blogging platforms and content sharing workflows. If the results take a moment to load, just wait briefly and review the available matches carefully so you choose the one that best fits what you want to automate. From the filtered results, click on Blogger. This focuses the template library on Blogger-related automations. If your goal is to automatically share, publish, or distribute blog content, this is the right category to explore. Selecting the correct app category is important because it ensures the automation is designed around your blogging platform. Next, select a sample template from the list. At this point, take a second to read the template title and description so you understand what the automation is meant to do. Choosing a sample template is helpful because it gives you a ready-made structure that you can customize later to match your own blogging process. When you've chosen the template, click Create New Scenario from Template. This tells Make to generate a working scenario based on that template, which you can then configure inside your own account. It's essentially copying the automation framework into your workspace so you can personalize it. From there, follow the on-screen procedure. Make will guide you through the remaining setup, which may include connecting your apps, confirming permissions, and adjusting settings so the automation works the way you want. As you go, read each prompt carefully and review each field before moving forward. That helps avoid setup errors and make sure your blog automation runs smoothly once it's active. And that's it. By using a template in Make.com, you can set up a blog automation much faster and with less guesswork, making it easier to keep your content flowing consistently.